Fanatics la uyabona bekuphume wonke umuntu letibhamu tasenkomazi betiphume ngetinkantaka wena uma ungekho la angikwati ukuthi ukuphi asami Miss Nkomazi Rise 2025 to 2026 First Princess ngithi emkhathini nginodlonkulu Miss Nkomazi Rise 2025 2026 Queen ngize ngapha ekugcineni Miss Nkomazi Rise 2025 to 2026 Second Princess uyayibona le nto isinza njani le panel lengiphethe la lifaselo kokugcina la libhakabhaka likhosi libhakabhaka ngilenye ikhombo kwele le khombo lena ama national team iyahlangana Queen Tindlovukazi khuluma nami sikuwe Nkomazi la nithi fana tembombela buhle nithi hayi bafana sidabatita ngebuhle bafana batawukora amagoli khuluma nami
Sijabulile kubalana Shem, sijabule kakhulu bafana bawinile bafana bethu bawinile guys bawinile 3-0 hi guys I deserve a 5 lapha deserve a 5
ngabe nibabhamlele nyini
sabashela enye igap kakhulu
manje bentoba limata phela
hawu igame no hard feelings game
everything is a game
baba take it or leave it
yeah the princess for queen siya World Cup after isikhathi lesingaka nitiva njani khuluma nami nitiva njani
besingeke vele size sidliwe ekhaya besingeke size sivuke ukuthi basidle sisekhaya yeah ish we enjoy the game Shem. It was nice like we deserve 6 knots yeah thank you
nyalo ngiyibuta kahle le my queen of South Africa queen of Nkomazi khuluma nami queen imessage lonayo tukubadlali befana bafana ba-address njenge-queen ba-address njengole-Queen Elizabeth banga-address abantu bakhe ba-address my queen khuluma nge-performance yabafana usho nje bafana badlala enganani khulumise ama-South Africans onke nje sijabule enganani my queen so
I'm so happy to have seen in the game, to watch it live, not from the TV. It was a great experience and they've played very well. They've made us proud. As you can hear, everyone is happy. So we'd like to say thank you to them and they should continue shining and making us proud. Thank you.
In closing, you're coming all the way from Nkomazi. What message do you have for the fans who came all across the globe, all across the country to cheer behind and rally South Africa? What message do you have? Njengale panel lekuyiyo yonke le. Asivalent fast.
We're so happy abachubeke bethu batobukela satodlala kusatoba kunyenti kakhulu buyani into obukela Shem. Please come guys and support us. Thank you.
No, like they should keep supporting South Africa because without them the team is nothing. So support is very important. Thank you.
Thank you my fans too. They must keep on supporting us as South Africa, make us proud. Thank you.
Ngiyabongela nami ngiyayivala lento ngiyangisinza hayi yini amabhawu lawo angisati nami akuyivale lento